this project, I have a lot of construction equipment, and this was a crawl space. The dirt level was about here, and as I started digging down, I decided to make it a full basement. I've removed the dirt 5 gallons at a time in these buckets, and so far I've removed 8,100 buckets. This soil is hard clay. It's got tremendous cohesiveness. This has been like this for 8 years, and this is supporting this half of this part of this basement. It makes for hard digging, but it makes the job easier because you can rely on the soil to protect most of the footing, as this has done for 8 or 9 years now. This room's a cross-section of what I've done. First of all, the dirt was at this height. I dug down. I was able to see where the footing was cracked and adjust it in that way. And then to get to the floor level, I have a laser that's set up. It's a PSL 360, which shoots a level line around the room. And I established the height and dug down to it, and this is my story hole. This is the height of the floor. Once I get the floor height established, I dig up under the footing. I go all the way onto the other side of the footing and shore up as needed. In this case, I put a pocket in the clay, and the clay has enough strength to hold up this beam, which provides a shoring. After I get it shored up, I dig the footing all by hand. I use one of the tools I use a lot are trowels, margin trowels, and I have a bucket trowel that works very well. This is one of the hardest parts of the job. I get that done and I pour the footing. In this case, I'm going to have a little stub wall. It's going to be reinforced with this steel. I have about 12 inches beyond this wall. I come up past the footing and turn it in, and I end up with a shelf on which I will build shelves to hold all my tools. I plan on having this all the way around each room. And the gravel allows the water to drain out and go to my sump crock here.